Hello, I think it's. Is it recording? Hello? Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Sakshaman Shrestha and this is my final year project presentation. Oops, sorry. It's a demonstration for my mobile application called Rent Anything. So, Rent Anything is a peer-to-peer rental platform where user can list items they own and other users can rent those items locally. Actually, the main idea of this project is based on sharing economy, where people do not always need to buy something permanently when they only need it for a short period of time. In this video, I'll explain the project background, research part, system design, a Firebase backend, mm, Android application modules, testing, and the product demonstration flow. For before that, I'll give you a little brief about uh, project concept. The concept of Rent Anything is just simple. Many people own items that are useful but remain unused most of the time. For example, tools, event equipments, electronics, or even spaces. Not exactly like Airbnb, but similar. Mm, on the other hand, many people also need these items temporarily, do not want to purchase them. So this matches between the renters and the owners. So for this app, there are some problem statement. The main problem this project addresses is the difficulty of renting items locally in a structured, what do you say, trustworthy way. I mean, there are a lot of government papers needs to be signed to be legitimate rentals. For this project, I'm just focusing on the core software development. So the difficulties are finding nearby rentals, lack of proper listing. The main one is trust issues between renters and owners. So that needs to be fixed maybe in the future. But the main idea of this project is just the software development. So the main objectives are the aim, let's say, for this app is the key objectives are to develop a mobile app where users can browse the rental items, to allow owner to list items for rent, to allow renters to request bookings, to use Firebase authentication for secure logins, and what are more, maybe the clean design and simple user interfaces. Also, the testing and documentation of this whole project. So the tools I've used is number one, this whole thing, Android Studio for developing the mobile application, Kotlin for programming language, Jetpack for UI development, the Jetpack Compose, uh, Firebase authentication for logins, Cloud Firestore for database storage. I haven't used the SQL and table structures. I've used the Cloud Firestore, Firebase storage, Firebase cloud messaging. For the version control, I've used GitHub, and of course the Gradle for the build and testing. These are the tools. So what I have to lift. Okay, the system architecture. Now let me explain the system architecture of the Android mobile. The backend is handling using the full Firebase. I haven't custom designed the backend. So Firebase is handling authentication, the storage, Firestore, and also the messaging. Actually, the app follows an MVVM architecture. This means the UI screens communicate with view models, and view models communicate with repositories. The repositories handle data access from Firebase and local storage. This structure keeps the code actually more organized and easier to maintain. So that's about the theoretical part. So the app features, let me show you the app features. So it's run already. Let me log out this app. I think it's okay. So let me first take you. Okay. So this is the homepage structure. This is the homepage. I've only listed a one item just for testing. It's an orange, but I have kept it laptop. This is a homepage screen for the app. Users can browse available rental items in this page. I have only added one app. So here is nearby you and recently viewed. It's the same item. If you add another one, it pops up from the Firebase backend. So in the next category, screen, this is the category screen. If you click one, these are the different types of rental actually: the real estate, vehicles, event items, tools, and electronics. So this is the one laptop that's electronic. I didn't get the picture of laptop, so I just get along get with the orange. So I've added a map and hosted by the person. You have here the description, the ratings, the review section, and here it shows all the reviews. So when you click the chat option, it directly takes you to chat with the owner of this page. So here are all the chats. Here you get all the chats that you have talked with the renters. This is the explore page where you get recently added, price low to high, and distance and rating options, which will be shown in explore option. So in the profile section we have, I just made a simple UI design, not very complex. There is homepage for all the renting stuffs, explore for core search, and the chat with the renters and the one who wants it. So this is the personal information. If you click here, it shows below your name, your email, your location that I haven't saved yet, the phone number, and you can save the profile. Same like if you add some items, you can get it in favorites. So I haven't added any favorites listing. The second one is your bookings, the one you have booked. The fourth one is the listings that you have listed. So I have listed one laptop, so you can also delete the listing. In the settings you have dark mode, notification on off, and the logout option, and also you have the delete account option. This is the dark mode. Let me see if it runs. So I haven't used all the features in this laptop because it might get slow and get consume more RAM. So I haven't used all the settings. Let me try the dark mode. I've been using for the what do you say? I've been using these in a separate Android device, so the RAM gets divided. But in this laptop, I don't know if it works. The dark mode, yep, the dark mode, and this works. Notification, so you can on and off. I used Firebase for the notification as well. So for Firebase, I've been keep on and on saying about the Firebase. Firebase actually supports the backend for this whole app. The Firebase authentication is used for user identity. This actually ensures that only authenticated users can access protected features. Let me show you. I can log out maybe. Yes, log out. Okay, so this is the authentication part where you create an email, write in password, and it gets saved in Firebase. You can also log in with Google and Facebook, and also you can get OTP from phone verification in the phone number. Let me say more about Firebase. Actually, Firebase rules are important because they control access for this whole app. For example, only the renters and owners should be able to access the booking chat. Firebase storage can be used for listing images. Firebase cloud messages can be notify users when a booking is requested, approval declined, or when a new image or message is received. This actually makes Firebase a suitable backend for me and my application instead of customing all the backend part. So for testing, I've done a unit testing where this is the unit testing file. Sorry. So this is the unit I have created. I think I went to the wrong file. Okay, there is no unit testing option yet. Let me just say you the limitations and future improvements of this whole application. The current version of this app has some limitations. As I said earlier, the payment gateway integration is not fully implemented. Large scale performance testing is still limited. I just used a unit testing file. Admin moderation is not fully implemented. And next one is advanced analytics and AI recommendations are the future work which I haven't implemented in this app. These limitations are expected for actually final year prototype, but the core rental workflow is clearly designed and demonstrated. The future improvements, the online payment of course, and AI based item recommendation where you can choose the items that you want and you get it in your front page, like the algorithms in TikTok and Facebook, etc. Review and rating systems are already implemented. That's the only future improvements maybe. And also the full production deployment, I think I'll be uploading this app in Play Store uh, for the demonstration and presentation work. So to summarize, Rent Anything app is a peer-to-peer rental mobile application built using Android and Firebase. The project addresses the problems of underutilized assets and difficulty in local renting. The app supports both renters and owners. Renters can browse and book items, while owners can list and manage rental items. Firebase provides the backend service, including authentication, Firestore database, storage, and notification as well. Overall, this project successfully demonstrates the design and development of scalable mobile rental platform. It's like when you say Facebook Marketplace, but we only buy stuffs from the marketplace. In this app, you just rent it. You don't need to buy. So, thank you. This is the project demonstration.